Good day, student. We are still on addition. In our previous lessons, we treated subtraction. Now we are doing addition of tens and units. Tens and units. The same way we added in the last addition, the same way we're going to add here also. Here we have 5 units, we have 2 units. 5 units plus 2 units. So you will count your 5. 5 units plus 2 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you count your 2. 1, 2. Then you count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write your 7 under the 5 and 2. Then you have your 1. There's no need to count 1. You just bring it down. 1. So let's do it again. We have 1 unit plus 7 units. So you count your 1 unit, 1. Then count your 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then write your 8. There's no need to count 1. 1 is 1. Just bring the 1 down. 1. Then the same thing here. 4 units plus 5 units. So you count your 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we count your 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then write your 9. Then your 1, there's no need to count your 1. You just bring it down. So you have come to the end of today's lesson. I'll put up your assignment now. Please ensure you do your assignment. Submit to your school or to somebody elderly at home. And don't forget to click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for viewing.